Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am playing on the slide.
I am playing on the slide.
I am running in the playground.
I am running in the playground.
I am swinging on the swing.
I am swinging on the swing.
I am climbing the ladder.
I am climbing the ladder.
I am playing with my friends.
I am playing with my friends.
I am sitting on the bench.
I am sitting on the bench.
I am eating my snack.
I am eating my snack.
I am watching other kids play.
I am watching other kids play.
I am walking on the grass.
I am walking on the grass.
I am hiding behind the tree.
I am hiding behind the tree.
I am playing hide and seek.
I am playing hide and seek.
I am jumping with joy.
I am jumping with joy.
I am talking to my friend.
I am talking to my friend.
I am waiting for my turn.
I am waiting for my turn.
I am dancing in the playground.
I am dancing in the playground.
I am balancing on the beam.
I am balancing on the beam.
I am holding the rope.
I am holding the rope.
I am kicking the ball.
I am kicking the ball.
I am throwing a ball.
I am throwing a ball.
I am catching the ball.
I am catching the ball.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am picking flowers.
I am picking flowers.
I am skipping happily.
I am skipping happily.
I am looking at the sky.
I am looking at the sky.
I am sharing my toys.
I am sharing my toys.
I am enjoying the fresh air.
I am enjoying the fresh air.
I am helping a friend.
I I am helping a friend.
I am sliding down fast.
I am sliding down fast.
I am playing with a kite.
I am playing with a kite.
I am running after the kite.
I am running after the kite.
I am spinning around.
I am spinning around.
I am feeling excited.
I am feeling excited.
I am feeling happy.
I am feeling happy.
I am feeling strong.
I am feeling strong.
I am feeling brave.
I am feeling brave.
I am saying hello.
I am saying hello.
I am making new friends.
I am making new friends.
I am clapping my hands.
I am clapping my hands.
I am waving my hand.
I am waving my hand.
I am cheering loudly.
I am cheering loudly.
I am feeling shy.
I am feeling shy.
I am feeling proud.
I am feeling proud. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.